a single common denominator they share. And what Salvador Dali did was he juxtaposed the subconscious with the dream state. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects. There's no commonality. It's like a bicycle and a milkshake. Just two contrasting images that somehow this artist's creativity allowed him to juxtapose these two disparate objects in a cohesive kind of way. It's cohesive juxtaposition. That's why I find surrealism to be a whole different, fascinating phenomenon in art, because it's a lot of juxtaposition. You see that juxtaposition pervasive in comedy with Mitch Hedberg. I like to throw Mitch Hedberg, the surrealistic comedian. He said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's surrealistic absurdity, absurd surrealism. So it's absurd surrealism now. Absurd surrealism is where the surrealism is absurd. There's an absurdity to the surrealism. Like, let's say I have an ice cream hammer. I saw an art, surrealistic art, where this person juxtaposed a hammer and an ice cream, and he called it an ice cream hammer. So that is surrealistic. That's absurd surrealism. So surrealism is a fascinating phenomenon in art. You have the three-dimensional aspect of art, you have the surrealistic aspect of art, and then you have colors, and then you have